comparison size, it's just about as big as my fist, sort of, which is mad. I've checked it, there's not any play or anything, spins freely. And also, I just want to address something, because a few people said after I showed them this, this is the T3 GT3582. They said that the little 1.3 wouldn't be able to spool it up, but it will. There's some videos online that I've seen that have shown them doing it as well. Obviously it's not going to run high boost like 20 odd PSI or whatever, probably not, but it'll be enough to actually boost it and make some noises, and obviously it's going to make a lot more power than the standard NA will be able to make. This is what's going to go in the Corolla after it's got its MOT. After it's got its MOT, I'm going to drive it for about a month maybe, so that I can do some videos driving it. I've ordered some brand new coilovers off eBay for it, because all the springs have actually snapped, or at least they're about to snap, and obviously that's not going to pass an MOT. So instead of replacing them, I just thought I might as well buy coilovers, because I'm going to get those eventually anyway, so I'll just get them now and get it over and done with. So after the coilovers are on, all it needs is wheels, or no, well, either wheels or tyres, or both. And then I'll put it through an MOT, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully it should get an MOT very soon after we've got all those parts on. Then after that we can start with the fun stuff, fun turbo stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a bit of an update on the build, and obviously show you this.